A St. Paul family has some closure tonight. After more than a decade, Nicholas Firkus was found guilty of murdering his wife Heidi inside their St. Paul home back in 2010. Firkus originally claimed an intruder shot his wife and shot him after a struggle. A jury believed prosecutors who argued that's not what happened.
Devon Roming takes us inside the verdict, 13 years in the making.
To see this day, it's been a long time coming.
It's been an emotional 2 weeks for the family and friends of Heidi Firkus as evidence led a jury to find Nicholas Firkus guilty of first and second degree murder of his wife.
It breaks our hearts for Heidi's family and for Nick's family, but there's finally justice.
Katina and Marcus Sarazin were Heidi's pastors and spent every day of this trial waiting and praying for answers and clarity nearly 13 years later.
We just wanted truth to be exposed either way. We wanted some closure and some answers on what really happened. And so I think that the jury got it right.
Prosecutors say Nick shot Heidi, staged a burglary, and then shot himself in the leg because he was ashamed of the couple's financial situation. This happening a day before they were to be evicted from their St. Paul home, which they say Heidi didn't know about.
When you're living behind a curtain pretending something isn't real and aren't willing to take responsibility, healing can't happen. So it's broken our hearts for the entire family, and we're glad that there's at least a way to move forward.
The defense argued the motive didn't make sense because it would only bring attention to the couple's relationship and finances, also arguing the prosecution never proved there wasn't an intruder.
And we're so thankful for the team of investigators, the state prosecutor. They did a phenomenal job, especially in closing arguments today. I think they actually wove everything together very, very nicely.
Now, the defense attorneys did not want to comment today. The Ramsey County attorney thanked investigators for their years of work on the case. Sentencing is set for April 13th, and Nicholas Firkus could be sentenced to life in prison.